We are so proud of your students this year, and we are so excited to share a little bit of what we've learned.
Thank you guys for coming. Second grade teachers, well, second grade's always been my favorite. I've been teaching for a very long time. And so this is my last class, because I'm going to the specialist team. So I might cry during this, or pass out, one or the other. What about us? We're proud of all the strides you've made, and now you're ready to move on to third grade. You're probably saying the end is finally near, and we see how much you've grown this year. We thank your parents for being there the whole year through. Our job was easier because they supported you. You've become writers, engineers, mathematicians, and more. Your eagle wings are ready for you to soar. It is now time to send you off on your way, but do you ever wonder what happens to us, the teachers, at the end of the day? After the hugs and celebration handshakes, we sit down exhausted and look forward to a summer break. We reflect on how much you've touched our heart in many ways. We only hope that you remember us in your second grade days. We will always cherish you and keep you close to our hearts and give you never-ending well wishes while we are apart. We hope that someday you will come back to visit us when we will share your news and remember all of the fun.
Literally loud enough to do this. And maybe I won't cry this way. First off, what an amazing show. Thank you, Ms. Cravens. You did a great job. We are going to send QR codes. Is that right?
We're going to send the whole video to you guys.
Yes. And with QR codes also, because all of the students did a favorite memory, and I know it ran too fast and you weren't able to read it, and so we totally understand that. So we will send all of this home with the kids or share it in some way, but you will have access to all of them, so they all have a favorite memory and the pictures and everything. So apologize that we didn't have time for y'all to read all of them because they're all very sweet, very cute. And I don't know if you went with us to the Perot, but you're a fan favorite. Anything when you came up and helped parents, many of you were mentioned in their favorite memories. So just know how much they really enjoyed y'all's participation in coming up and helping us with all the things. So that to say, Ms. Zachary, why do I even end? Because I cry the most. I guess old people cry more. I don't know. So, well, my kids know. Anyway, we do want to thank you for coming. It is short, but we just celebrate these kids, and we celebrate you all, and we're so grateful for all of your staying up late and helping them with facts or reading with them or just all the many, many things that you don't think we see that we do see. And we are very, very grateful. We will miss all of them next year. We're so proud of how they've done and what they've accomplished. And they're amazing, like she said, amazing mathematicians and readers and spellers and everything. So we wish all the best to you and to them. And we always love hearing. We always love them coming back. I'm the one that's come back and I taught your dad. And they're like, really? I'm like, yeah. No lie. So anyway, we love hearing about your kids. We really do. So we want to keep in contact.